On Saturday was my daughter's birthday, and she had her whole hair tea on Saturday morning. So I needed something really fast, cute, and unique. So my baby sister told me about this hairstyle, and I'm glad she did, because this hairstyle is so easy. Imagine on her birthday, this is on Saturday. So after I finished cooking, making cake and everything, that is when I start this hair. So all you need to do, section the hair into four, just like so, and just add your edge control or hair gel, whichever product you are using to smoothen your hair. Mind you, my kids' hair, they are all a fresh permit. They have never been relaxed before, okay? So I just use edge control and I smoothen it, I pack it, then I just weave it. That is it. This hair is so easy and it's fine. The amazing thing about this hairstyle is this hairstyle, you can also style it for marriage. Yes. So all you need to do is use your extension and just weave it. So what I should have done is make the extension bigger, but I didn't do it bigger, not because I don't have enough extension braid, but because I was kind of, I don't know if it would be too much for her. So, but if you want to do it, I would recommend you add more of extension, because her hair is fresh for me. It was kind of difficult for me to hold, and when you are making this hair, the part where her hair is, make sure you hold there very tight so that the hair will last longer, okay? And another thing is, I used needle, I didn't use pin. So if you don't want to carry it for long, you can use pin. But because my child is going to school and she's going to take the hair to school, and you know how kids, how they play. So I don't want her to be running and maybe the pin fall off and the hair will lose. She will not even be happy, because being like that is gonna like, why is your hair like this, you know? So instead of me to use pin, and I had to replace it with needle and thread. So I didn't use pin for this hair all through. So what I use is just needle and thread. I sewed the hair, I didn't pin it, I sewed it. So if you don't like to sew the hair, you can use pin if you don't want to carry it for a long time. But because I wanted her to take it to school, because it's a Saturday, on Sunday I was going to make her sister's hair. You see her other sister that just came, her hair is already undone. So I was going to make her hair on Sunday, and I don't want her to take her this hair. I want her to take the hair to school. So I had to like do it the way it will last for her. So that is why I sewed it, okay? So if you don't want to sew it, like I said, you can use pin for the hair. It's just as simple as this. You see, now I'm making the fourth one. This is the last one, just the four of it, like so. So like I said, make your extension braid bigger than what I use now. Okay, I use one pack, that's what I use. So you can use yours, since if you are making, you can use yours like two and make it a bit not too long, but bigger. Okay, let the quantity be much than mine, but the length, it should be okay. The length is okay, because you just you know you are going to fold it. So after I finish this way, just like so, then I have to use the tip. When you are doing the tip, twist it, okay? So I have to use the tip to round it like so. So after I round it, then even if you are using pin, lest I forget, make sure you sew this part, sew this part, then before you use pin, so that it will not go off. So but me, I use I sew all. But if you are using pin, sew this part first, then it's so simple. So just keep watching and see how we end this hairstyle. Please don't fail to subscribe to my channel. If you are not subscribed, follow me. If you are not one of my follower, you have to join the family. Okay, let's grow together. And also share to your world, share to your friends and your family, and let them know this easy hairstyle. So this is what I put in the middle, and I'm going to use this hair to round it. So what you do, you take from this side to the other side. You know, I'm going to start from the front. So but first I'm going to sew it like so. So this part, if you don't want to sew it, you can use pin to pin it to the four edges, as long as it goes to the four, which is the way you pack the hair. 1 2 3 4. Make sure you pin it like that, just like so. After you're done with that, then take the hair. You see the way I cross it now? Cross it just like so. Just like so. See? After you cross it like this, pin it or you sew it. Then also the other part, the downside, cross it the same way I cross the front, and you sew it. Then we are good to go. So that is just simple. That's how simple this hair is. So simple, fine, and beautiful.
Every breath is laced with gold. Little crown stars, I rule my way. Every step a dance, every word a play. Little crown stars, my flow's the day. I shine my own. Little crown stars, I rule my way. Every step a dance, every word a play. Little crown stars, my flow's the day. I shine my own. I won't obey. They said the road would break me down, but I paint gold on every frown. The world's my stage, I own this town. Watch me soar, no chains can hold. Every breath is laced with gold. Little crown stars, I rule my way. Every step a dance.
So now we are done. I just like to beautify it a little bit with this pin. After that, I added this front, this thing on the front, just to make it more cute, and trust me, the hair was so beautiful. Yes, so see my right daughter here picture is the picture of the hairstyle. You see, this is after everything. So tell me, what do you think about this hairstyle? Are you going to style for your child? And yeah, tell me what you think in the comment section. I'll be waiting to read from you. And please, if you're not subscribed, subscribe, like, and follow, share. Okay, thank you, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Once again, thanks for watching. Bye for now.
Little crown stars, I rule my way. Every step a dance, every word a play. Little crown stars, my flow's the day. I shine my own. Little crown stars, I rule my way. Every step a dance, every word a play. Little crown stars, my flow's the day. I shine my own. I